Hey everyone, welcome back to sYourRam YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, we are so happy to see you again.
Let me ask you something. Do you feel nervous when you meet new people?
Do you stay quiet because you don't know what to say?
Do you want to make friends but feel shy?
If yes, this video is for you.
Today, you will learn how to make new friends step by step.
With simple English, real conversations, and easy sentences.
You just need to listen.
Repeat and practice with us.
Okay, let's start.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it's free. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it's beautiful. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, perfect weather. I really like it.
Me too. I come here to relax.
Same here. I come here when I feel stressed.
Oh, so this is your relaxing place.
Yes, it makes me feel calm.
That's nice.
By the way, my name is Isha.
Nice to meet you, Isha. I'm Ram. So, Isha, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Oh, nice. What do you study?
I study English and history.
That's great.
What about you?
I work in an office. I am a sales executive.
Oh, interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, it is busy, but I enjoy it.
Wow, that's good.
So, what do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
Nice. I also like movies.
Oh, really? What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and thriller movies.
Oh, I see. But I like romantic movies.
That's interesting. Very different.
Yes, but that's okay.
Of course, differences make conversations fun.
Exactly.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Me too. But what kind of music do you like?
Usually I like pop music.
Same here. I also like pop.
That's great. We have something in common.
Yes, that's how friendships start.
Simple things. Small connections. Hey Ram, do you want to get coffee sometime?
Yes, that sounds great.
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow works for me.
Let's meet here again.
Sure. See you tomorrow.
Hi Ram.
Hi, Isha. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
How was your day?
It was good. I had classes all day.
Sounds busy.
Yes, a little tiring.
You should take rest, Isha.
Yes, I will.
Okay, Isha. Tell me, where are you from?
I am from India.
Haha, nice. I'm also from India.
Oh really? That's great.
Yes. Which city are you from?
I'm from Kolkata.
That's a beautiful city.
Do you have many friends here?
Not many. I'm new here.
Oh, me too.
That's good. We can be friends.
Yes, of course.
You are very easy to talk to.
Thank you. You are very friendly.
Do you feel shy when meeting new people?
Yes, sometimes I feel nervous.
Me too.
But today, I feel comfortable.
Same here.
I think practice helps. I think practice helps.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us. Hi, my name is. Nice to meet you. What do you do? What do you like?
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Now you know how to make new friends in English.
Start with simple words and don't be shy.
Practice every day and speak with confidence.
Tell us in the comments, how do you start a conversation?
And who do you want to talk to?
We love to read every comment.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.